I bet you didn't know how the Pantheon has stood the test of time. Rome, a city full of ancient wonders, but even among so much history, the Pantheon stands out. Imagine a building so well preserved that it feels like stepping back in time. The Pantheon is a monument to the glory of ancient Rome. It has inspired artists and architects for centuries. For almost 2,000 years, the Pantheon has been a symbol of Roman ingenuity. Its iconic dome is a feat of engineering. The Pantheon is a must-see for every visitor to Rome. It offers a glimpse into the power and art of one of history's greatest empires. The Pantheon has a fascinating history. It was originally built by Emperor Hadrian in 126 AD. He wanted to create a temple dedicated to all the Roman gods. The name Pantheon literally means "to every god" in Greek. Centuries later, the Pantheon underwent a significant transformation. In 609 AD, it was consecrated as a Christian church. This act saved it from destruction and is one of the main reasons why it still stands today. Imagine without this intervention we might have lost a key piece of our history, like losing the mouth of truth. Approaching the Pantheon, you can't help but be struck by its grandeur. The exterior features massive Corinthian columns. They support a triangular pediment, typical of Roman temple architecture. The original bronze roof is long gone. The facade of the Pantheon resembles a traditional Roman temple, but upon entering you step into a circular space unlike anything else in the ancient world. This stark contrast is part of what makes the Pantheon so unique. It's kind of like going from Piazza Navona, full of life, to the quiet atmosphere of an ancient temple. Stepping inside the Pantheon is an extraordinary experience. You go from the bright Roman sun to the dimly lit interior. As your eyes adjust, you see a massive dome overhead. This is the Pantheon's most impressive feature, a perfect hemisphere open to the sky. At the dome's peak is a circular opening called the oculus. It's the only source of natural light inside the Pantheon. The oculus acts like a giant sundial, casting a moving beam of light across the walls and floor. It's as if the sky itself is shining down inside. The Pantheon's dome is a marvel of Roman engineering. It was the largest dome in the world for over 1,000 years. To build it, the Romans used cement, a material they revolutionized. They gradually made the cement lighter as the dome reached its top. The oculus at the top isn't just for light. It also helps reduce the dome's weight. The Pantheon's dome is a testament to Roman ingenuity and architectural mastery. It continues to amaze visitors to this day, kind of like the Roman aqueducts, another incredible work of engineering.